Welcome to the Sellwood Bridge Project website. I'm Marcy Schwartz, the CH2M Hill Consulting Team Manager that's working for Multnomah County on this project. We've recorded this presentation to provide information on the results of the draft environmental impact statement. And here's what's on the agenda for this presentation. First, I'll discuss an overview of the draft environmental impact statement, which we abbreviate as DEIS. Then I'll do a quick overview, a review of the alternatives we're looking at in the analysis. And last, I'll break down some of the highlights of the findings that we've made on the impacts of the project. The DEIS is a very big document, about 450 pages. It's considered reader-friendly despite its length because it's written in what we hope is a straightforward manner with lots of explanatory graphics and simple comparative tables. Even so, it's not very easy to get through. So we've done a 40-page executive summary that's available on the website. The document itself is available online, on CD, or in hard copy form, and at Multnomah and Clackamas County libraries for reference. Comments on the DEIS can be submitted from November 7th through December 22nd. People can submit comments online, in written form, or orally. The comments are really intended to ensure that we have accurately and comprehensively captured the impacts of the project. In addition, we've posted an online survey to ask people which alternative they prefer during that same comment period of November 7th to December 22nd. The survey will allow respondents to tell us if they prefer a hybrid alternative or one of the 5 that we've analyzed in the document. Details of the comment options are provided in the project newsletter. These are the 22 topics that are addressed in the draft environmental impact statement. And the topics that are highlighted on this slide in red are the ones that I'll talk about tonight, because those are the ones that differentiate between the different alternatives. And let me explain for a minute what I mean by differentiating impacts. So in the document, we've talked about the impacts on all those 22 topics. But for many of the topics, the impacts are the same for every single build alternative. For others, the impacts are very similar, not different enough to distinguish one alternative from another. And that's based on our professional judgment. You're certainly free to disagree, and that's why we've laid all the impacts out in their entirety. For some topics, the ones that were highlighted on the previous slide in red, we think the impacts are substantially different and represent a reason to select one alternative over another. So we're focusing on those in this presentation because we hope that'll be helpful to you in identifying a preferred alternative. It doesn't mean that those topics are more important than other topics, but just that they differentiate more.